quite curious this morning, isn't he?
He is. He's very laid back, this one.
Yeah.
How old is he?
He's about a year old.
Yeah.
He's your buddy, huh?
Now you can pat him on the back if you like.
Ears or not ears?
The back.
Who's that talking Pippin, huh? Make eye contact.
He likes his hugs, doesn't he? So cute, aren't they?
Yeah.
Go around the other side, Paul, and see if we can get his face.
He said, no, not unless I'm well paid.
Yeah.
Right.
Seems a little sad.
No, probably a bit sleepy still. He's been a bit active this morning.
And where's